Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your navigation bar more visible on the home screen. So on some wallpapers, the navigation bar might blend in, making it harder to use. So Samsung allows you to customize the navigation bar style and layout so it stands out and fits your preference. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, we're going to go ahead and open up the Navstar module. So go ahead and scroll down, find Navstar. From here, turn this feature on. And now you want to go ahead and scroll down and tap on swipe gesture. So you're on swipe gesture. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find gesture handle. So here you want to go ahead and play around with the gesture handle width. So you can go ahead and make it short, or you can go ahead and make it wide. Now you can go ahead and play around with the transparency. So if you want more transparent or you want a solid color. So if you want to see much better, then you want to go ahead and move it to the right hand side. Next, you want to go ahead and choose your color. So you can go ahead and choose a color which is matching your wallpaper. Now, once that's done, press home. And now when you look at your navigation bar here, the gesture bar, you'll see that it's been customized to your liking. So this improves your visibility, accessibility, especially if you have visual impairments or you prefer more of a personalized layout where it's matching your wallpaper. So there you go guys, that is how to make your navigation bar more visible on the home screen for your Samsung Galaxy phone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.